Every trader faces moments when the biggest challenge is in the market, it's ourselves. You can have the perfect strategy on paper, but when emotions get involved, fear, frustration or overconfidence, that's where things often fall apart. And that's exactly why FTMO Performance Coaching exists. By the way, my name is Vojtěch and I'm a performance coach here at FTMO, and performance has been my lifelong focus. In this video, I will explain what a performance coaching session looks like, how you can prepare for it, and what you can expect when you book your first one. Let's get into it. Performance coaching at FTMO is a psychology-based conversation designed to help you understand yourself as a trader. We are not a financial advisors or mentors. We don't tell you what to trade or how to trade. We are psychologists and a performance specialists. Our goal is to help you find your own way to understand what works best for you, regulate your emotions, identify limiting beliefs, and develop habits that support consistent performance. Sometimes, coaching is about building structure and discipline. Other times, it's simply about having space to reflect, to talk through what's been going on in your trading or in your life in general. And sometimes it's about being heard, because even though trading is a solo journey, you don't have to feel alone. Each coaching session lasts about an hour. It's a private, one-on-one conversation with a performance coach, available for all verified FTMO traders, and it's done through Google Meet. You can book one session every 14 days, giving you enough time to apply what you have learned and reflect before the next one. Before this session, it's helpful to take a few minutes to think about what you would like to discuss. Maybe it's managing emotions, improving discipline, or overcoming fear of loss, or even understanding why you sometimes struggle to follow your plan. But don't worry, if you are not sure, sessions can be completely organic. Your coach will guide the conversation and help you uncover the most relevant topic just for you. At the beginning of the session, we will spend a few minutes getting to know each other. You will learn a bit about your coach, and we will invite you to share your trading journey, what brought you here, and what your goals are, your expectations, and the kind of trader you aspire to become. That part is key, because trust and understanding are the foundation of effective coaching. Then we will dive into the main topic of your session. It could be FOMO, emotion regulation, discipline, or simply finding ways to improve your trading performance overall. Your coach will ask reflective questions to help you gain insight to see patterns, habits, or emotions that you might not have noticed before. As I often say in my sessions, you know yourself the best, or at least I hope so. We just help you look at things from a new perspective. In reality, it's a dialogue. Your active participation is what makes the process work. Coaching isn't something that happens to you, it's something you do. It's a cooperation. The more effort, curiosity, and honesty you bring, the more impactful session will be. Sometimes we will introduce frameworks, theories, or practical strategies, but it's always based on your topic and your own needs. At the end of the session, we will summarize the key takeaways, agree on a few action steps. That could be setting up a training routine, keeping a short reflection journal, or simply observing a specific behavior in your next trades. Every session ends with a clarity, a conclusion, what you want to change, or sometimes what you want to continue doing, because it already works for you. But here's something important to remember. The real progress doesn't happen during the session, it happens between them. When you start applying what we have discussed to your trading, that's when the mindset work really takes the root. Think of it like going to the gym. One great workout feels good, but consistency, that's what makes the real difference. That's what makes the transformation and a real mental strength. Over time, you will start to notice small but powerful changes. Fewer emotional reactions, stronger discipline, better focus, and a calmer, more confident approach to every trade. Make your mindset your biggest advantage over other traders. Trade safe, stay disciplined, and keep working on your mindset. See you next time.